What is up, Mythic Crew? This is Seth and I'm back. This morning we brought the 350Z over to the frame shop. We had it measured, and next week on Wednesday we're going to send it over to them and see if they can get it pulled for us. It's about a 1/4 of an inch over to the passenger side, which is what I expected, and so we're going to get that pulled. In the meantime, I've noticed that the rear brakes are really worn out, so we're going to change those today. Real simple job, but let's get to it. Alright, well, as you guys can see, I've got the pads off. This one's completely gone, and this one has almost nothing left to it. So I'm going to bring these to the parts store. We're going to go get some rear pads. The rotors don't look chewed up at all. I think I just got to it because it just started making sound today. So I think the rotors are going to be good, and we'll go grab some pads, chuck them on, and I checked out the fronts, they look good. So all we need some rear. Alright, I'll be back once I grab them. Alright, so that's how it's done. Got the new pads in on this side. I'll just repeat it on the other side, and then we'll be done. Real simple, but had to do it. Pads were worn out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.